Did you know that the global essential oils market size was valued at a staggering $25 billion in 2020? This shouldn't come as a surprise, given the myriad of benefits these aromatic oils bring to our daily lives. From stress relief to skin rejuvenation, essential oils have found their way into the heart of holistic well-being. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of essential oils, specifically focusing on the art of blending. Blending essential oils is a skill that requires both knowledge and creativity. You can think of it as crafting a symphony of scents, where each oil plays a unique note. The key to a successful blend lies in understanding the properties of each essential oil. For instance, citrus oils like lemon and grapefruit have uplifting and energizing effects, while floral oils such as lavender and chamomile are renowned for their calming and relaxing properties. Now imagine the magic you can create by combining these different oils. A blend of lavender, chamomile, and a touch of sweet orange can make a perfect bedtime blend to help you wind down and prepare for a restful sleep. On the other hand, a combination of grapefruit, peppermint, and rosemary can create an energizing blend that can help kickstart your day. One essential tip for blending essential oils is to follow the 30-50-20 rule. This rule suggests that your blend should consist of 30% top notes, 50% middle notes, and 20% base notes. Top notes are the first scent you smell, and they evaporate quickly. Middle notes make up the body of the blend and last longer, while base notes are heavy and slow to evaporate, providing a lasting fragrance. For example, if you're creating a 10-drop blend, you could use 3 drops of a top note like eucalyptus, 5 drops of a middle note like lavender, and 2 drops of a base note like cedarwood. This creates a balanced and harmonious blend. But remember, blending is a personal journey, one that should reflect your unique preferences and needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. There's no right or wrong when it comes to your personal blend. And here's an important reminder. Always dilute your essential oils before applying them to your skin. A general guideline is to use 3 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. So, why not embark on this aromatic journey today? Start with your favorite essential oils, try different combinations, and discover the blend that speaks to your senses and caters to your needs. Whether you're blending oils for a soothing massage, a refreshing room spray, or a calming bath, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the world of essential oils is as diverse as it is beautiful. So take a deep breath and immerse yourself in the symphony of scents. Happy blending.